everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Nightmare on Panning Street. This was created by Val and Jaylon. They're going to be listed down below. Val is only on Instagram, where Jaylon is on both Instagram and YouTube. This is a great project. It started on Halloween last year. It's going to go to Halloween of this year. It's all about horror movies, which it's my thing. I like my horror movies. And I'm just going to keep adding some new ones in every time I update. I would love to get to all of the prompts, though I'm starting to feel the crunch of maybe not getting to all of the prompts, so I'm going to be doing easier goals for the ones that I'm rolling in, just so that I can get on to more and more of the prompts, because I really want to get all of them. And I think there was 40 prompts total, 40 horror movies. Yeah, I like it. I do have one rollout. I will get to that when I'm in that position on the list. So the first one is Halloween, a set of sheet masks. It's a full or deluxe sized mask. This one right here is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Exfoliating Clay Mask. I finally started using it, and I am down to here now. I really like this. It's kind of not what I expected. It goes on like a clay mask, but then when you, after it's dry and you put it, like you get a little bit of dampness on it and you rub, it turns into like a scrub. It's really kind of cool. I like that one a whole lot. And I'm knocking stuff over. Don't I always? All right, moving on to The Conjuring. You don't know what possessed you to purchase this item, and that is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach, which is for like dark purpley under eye circles, which I don't have. I have actually used this quite a bit to do a little bit of, like, I guess liquid bronzing, if you will. And it still hasn't gone down. It is still like at 13 grams, but I am actually using it. Go figure. Next, A Quiet Place. It's a product that makes you speechless, because I put it on and I can't talk till it sets in. This is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. It's getting there. You can see my progress lines here. I was at this red and now I'm at the blue. Very, very slow progress. This is going to probably be in here till the very end, but I enjoy it. I like using it. I feel like, it moisturizes everything that it needs to moisturize, so I'm happy about that. Let's see, moving on to the Invisible Man, something that erases, like a primer, concealer, foundation, powder, etc. So I chose a primer, and this is the Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte. Of course, nothing is keeping me matte today because I've had this makeup on since 7 a.m. and it's almost 11 p.m. now, so nothing was going to save this makeup today. So I am using it now, and I'm at the blue line currently. And, I enjoy this one. I like it a lot. All right, moving on to, I'm going to skip the ones that I really haven't used. Okay, Scream, an item that makes you scream with delight. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. It is upside down. That's why I was kind of like tilting my head, because it's so thick. I need to. This is where I was last time. This is where I am now. It's probably going to take me 2 more updates to have this done, and yeah, I'm not worried about it not being done by the finale. It's going to get done. I'm sure of it. Next is Alien, something that is one of a kind in your collection, and I don't know why I own it. I'm using it, but I don't know why I own it. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I think it just was too hyped, and that's why I purchased it. Tiny, tiny progress from this line to this line. I basically just use it as a brow highlight right now. That's all I use it for, but I mean, at least it's getting some usage, so there's that. Because I don't know what else to use it for. I really don't. I did try it as an all-over base, and it was just too white for my skin. It wasn't pretty. All right, moving on to Poltergeist, something that's always here. A must-have in either your makeup or your skincare routine. That is a matte cream eyeshadow for me. So I have the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and I am working on, what is it called? Coconut Cream. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but there's there's definitely a dip in there. I just don't know if the camera's going to pick it up right in there. I use a huge fluffy brush, and yeah, I'm making good progress on it. I may have pan in it by the next update. That is my goal for this one. If not the next update, then like 2 updates, and I'm going to have pan on that. I'm pretty certain of that one. And I think I skipped over my empty. Wow, I'm tired. I'm tired. My husband's on his way home from work right now, and he's actually bringing a foster dog home with him. It was turned in to the local police department, and we're going to foster it until someone reports the dog missing. We just don't want it to sit in crates and you know, be lonely, because it's tiny little chihuahua. Yes, I know how to properly say it. So we decided we were going to foster it until the rightful owners come for it, and you know, we're going to give her some love. All right, onto the project. I missed my empty, which is A Nightmare on Elm Street. It's a dupe for an item you dream about purchasing. This is the Essence Make Me Brow in the soft brownie brows. Brownie brows. I love the little wand on this, but this was not the right color for me. You can't even see in there. It's so dark. But, I mean, like, I've tried the stoppers out. With the stopper out, I've probably been working on this for 2 months. That's just how much stuff was in there. She done. I enjoyed it, but, again, just not the right color for me. I do have 2 different colors. I'm going to figure out which one works for me. We'll have to wait and see how that works out. So, those are my 1 empty, the things that are going to continue on that I've actually had some progress or usage on. I'm going to roll 2 things in. The next 2 prompts just going in the whole line here. So the next one, appropriately enough for me, wow, words, Jessica, Frankenstein, a Franken product. What's the likelihood that I would have a Franken product? I have this lavender eyeshadow. It used to be in 50 Shades of Purple, and yes, I know my nails are trashed right now. I've been digging in my garden. It is what it is. This I just want to hit pan on, and I don't think that's going to be a problem. I can probably, if I put it in my May makeup basket, I can probably have it done by the next update. And the next prompt is Dracula, a product that sucks the life out of you. I wasn't sure how to take that, so I picked a product that sucks the oils out of my face. This is the Skin Fix Acne Plus 2% BHA Acne Spot Treatment. I just want to use it 5 times. It could take me 5 months to use it. I have no idea. I'm sure that I will get some usage out of it, because I tend to break out in waves where I won't need anything like this for months, and then I will need it for like a week or 2 straight. That's just how my skin rolls. You know, the hormonal thing goes sometimes. You know what I'm talking about. So we'll see. I just want 5 uses on that one. Hit pan on the lavender eyeshadow and work on the rest of this mess right here. All right, I'm going to wrap this up so I am ready for when my husband and the little puppy gets home. And yeah, I guess that is everything. Definitely go check out Jaylon and Val. They're going to be linked down below. Because this is a PANtastic Ladies collab, of course, there's going to be a spreadsheet down there for everyone that has joined in. And yeah, that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.